Using Presentation Plus with Zoom. To use Presentation Plus with Zoom, you'll need to share your screen with your students. As the host of the Zoom call, you can share your screen at any time. Make sure to have Presentation Plus already opened. During the call, click the Share Screen button at the bottom of the Zoom screen. Select the window for Presentation Plus. Be sure to click Share Computer Sound at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will enable audio and video sound to play through Zoom. To stop screen sharing at any time, click the red Stop Share button at the top of the screen you're currently sharing. Presentation Plus offers a variety of tools that you can use while screen sharing. Here are just a few examples to get you started. You can play the Students' Book audio embedded in Presentation Plus. Simply click the QR code or the icon for audio to start playing.
Hello?
Lily, it's me. I had a little accident.
Are you okay, honey?
You can also play videos by clicking on the QR code or the video icon.
Should and shouldn't. Unit 4, Lesson B. You should go to the hospital. Watch and listen.
In addition, answer keys can be displayed by clicking on the answer key icon. Using features in the floating toolbar. The Presentation Plus floating toolbar gives you access to numerous features. Besides the commonly used annotation tools such as the pointer, pen, eraser, and highlighter, there are also advanced options. Let's take a look at some of these features. Notes. If you want to add information for your students, you can add notes to any page. The notes can be added at any time, closed, or deleted. Attachments. Presentation Plus also allows you to attach files, such as images, audio, or videos that you can launch from the page. To attach a file, click on the icon, and then click on the location on the page you would like to place the attachment. A new window will open to allow you to choose the file from your computer. Spotlight. The spotlight can be used to direct students to certain parts of the page by focusing on a particular section or exercise and blurring out the rest. For more information, click on the link found in the description of this video.